So we're now going down, I think it's called Cranishaies Lane. It's a part of the Centurion ride out. It says it's a dead end, but it's not, as you can see. Lovely. And we're going down to the right. It says unsuitable for motors. Looks like a good lane. Oh yeah. Lots of bloody bugs though. You can see that bikes have been down here recently. Rex and Master at laning, off-roading. Glad I got the new tyres on. Wish I'd taken his route. But I'm not going to cross rut. Keep it in first. See, this would be fun to come up, I think. More fun to come up than go down. I didn't turn off the ABS either. Silly me. But all in all, not a bad little lane. And they keep pheasants out here. Oh, he's up it. He's up. I'm up. Woo! I'm so nervous. It's my bloody off. It's ridiculous. Well, it's not ridiculous, is it? You learn from your mistakes. And I've learned that coming off a bike at 51 bloody hurts. Oh, kick the thing out. Yeah. Not sure about bringing people down or taking them up over this. Death grip. Ah, there we go.